Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to trim sketch in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create a new object. So we need to create a new empty file, and after that we need to go to create body. We need to click create sketch, and after that we need to select here XY plane. After that I click OK button, and then I need to create here a simple shape. For example, I go to create rectangle and I select here rectangle. Then I draw here simple rectangle, maybe something like that. And I can draw here the second shape. For example, I select here rectangle and I select here rectangle again. For example, I will draw here something like that. I click here to create this shape. And now if I want to trim this edge, I need to click on this one option and I need to select here trim edge. Then I click on this edge, I click on this edge, I click on this edge, and I click on this one edge. And on this way you can easily trim edges in FreeCAD. Of course you can use different edges to make this action. For example, I will go to circle, I select here circle by center, and I draw a circle maybe somewhere here. Then again I go to trim edges, so I click on this one option, I select here trim edge, and I select this edge, and this edge. And how you see, it really works. If I helped you to trim in FreeCAD, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.